The end of the world. America has 7,000 atomic bombs. Each one can atomize a city. Okay, that's nice. Atomic bombs are called nuclear bombs. Nuclear is how to say nuclear. Yes, quite a lot of these atomic bombs are now like 70 years old. From presidents 70 years ago that thought, oh, we need nuclear bombs, let's have all of those. The first nuclear bombs use the energy from splitting unstable atoms of uranium. Yes, the first time they used it, 1945, against the Japanese, blew up two cities, Nagasaki and Hiroshima. Just two nuclear bombs, in that case, stopped the Second World War, because Japanese didn't have any way of stopping them, just blowing up more of their cities. The second bomb used unstable atoms of plutonium. Yeah, they wanted to try all the different ones they had. Plutonium is named after Pluto. Unstable atoms, and uranium named after Uranus. Atoms give off rays called gamma rays. Gamma rays are used in small quantities to kill bacteria. Gamma rays kill bacteria on food and doctors' knives called scalpels. Yes, if you want to send a tomato a long distance from where you've picked the tomato to where someone's going to buy the tomato, best way to kill all the bacteria on there is to irradiate it with gamma rays. No bacteria. Doesn't change the taste. Doesn't change. It doesn't make it dangerous. People go, oh, it's nuclear tomato. No, it's had nuclear particles go zooming through it, killing all the bacteria. The particles aren't there anymore. It's just like you've shot a wall with a bullet, making holes through the wall. The wall's not dangerous with bullets anymore. The bullets went through ages ago. The unstable form of an element has too many or too few neutrons. Neutrons are in the nucleus. Yes, they're neutral. Nucleus. Every atom has a tiny nucleus in the centre. An atom with too many neutrons in the nucleus is called unstable. An unstable isotope. All uranium atoms have 92 protons in the nucleus. To make an atomic bomb, you need to get the 1% unstable uranium isotope that has 143 neutrons, away from the 99% stable uranium isotope that has 146 neutrons. Yes, so the rocks in most countries, there'll be some igneous rocks from volcanoes pushed up from down below, and they have uranium in them. But most of the uranium's no use for making nuclear bombs. It's all stable. All the unstable ones have slowly, since the Earth formed 4.3 billion years ago, slowly they've been ticking away through their half-lives. So there's less and less and less of the unstable uranium. Now it's down to 1%. There will be less and less in the future, especially since we keep digging it up. Yes, the safer uranium. The safer uranium is used for the shells that they use in tanks, because uranium's very heavy, very dense, much denser than lead, so therefore it's good at blowing holes in enemy tanks. The unstable isotope 92-143 U for uranium, that is used for nuclear weapons. If it's 8% 8% enriched. So taking it from 1% to 8% by using centrifuges and other stuff. 8% enriched, you can use it for nuclear power stations. It has to be 80% enriched in order to use it for bombs. That's why you go around and find out how enriched are they making their uranium, to stop other countries making bombs. Russia, oh, that's safe. Britain, France, China, India, Pakistan, Israel, and North Korea, oh dear, are the countries that make nuclear weapons. Bombs explode, dust into the air. 100 nuclear bombs would put so much dust into the air that the sun would be blocked for many years. With no sunlight, the plants would not produce by photosynthesis. No sunset, and the plant would not produce food by photosynthesis, comma. I need a comma there, I think. There would be nothing for us or other animals to consume. America has the most. Russia's got more. Has 7,000 nuclear bombs. Russia has 8,000 nuclear bombs. France has 300. Okay, so France has got way enough to kill all big organisms on Earth. Do a whole wipeout, just like happens to the dinosaurs. All humans dead, all big things. China, pandas, everything bigger than a rat would be dead. The rats would be okay, because they could hide away from the cold wind, and they could eat seeds that were put away in the ground by trees and flowering plants years and years ago, because that's what seeds do. They hide in the ground for years and years. And chickens survived. Well, okay, small dinosaurs that then evolved into birds. That's why the dinosaurs on Earth are all birds. Because small little birdie ones survived when all the big interesting dinosaurs got killed off. Because they had seeds. Britain has 225. Israel just coming into the being able to kill everybody. Israel has 200. India has 100, which would still cause a lot of problems. Pakistan, there's 100 cities no longer around, has 110 nuclear bombs, all have enough to end the world. Yes, how many North Korea has is unknown, and keeps changing because, of course, they're making more. They got them because they thought, oh, okay, if we have nuclear bombs, Americans won't invade us because we can just blow up New York. Well, the problem is they haven't got the rockets. This is 2021. At the moment, they haven't got the rockets to go far enough to get to New York. But they could blow up Tokyo. Atomic bombs are also called nuclear bombs. Everyone stay happy out there. Only 2 have been blown up in the last 70 years. Fingers crossed. Well, only 2 actually that hit people. The others were all underground and in the deserts of Australia and Algeria, where France and Britain tested their stuff. The Bikini Islands blowing up. Yeah, we named bikinis after the Bikini Islands, and then the French blew them up. So we tested them. Only 2 have we actually used on people, because they use the energy of unstable. So everybody stay happy and enjoy every day of life, because these guys all have the ability to stop it. Isotopes. Yes, everyone at the moment is going around going, oh, COVID. It's like, it kills less than 1% of people. This is like 100% of people and all the panda bears. And I know the polar bears are in trouble, but this would get rid of all the polar bears too. And all the bears. Everything bigger than a mouse or rat. The isotopes are unstable, because they have too many or too few neutrons. Yes, the neutrons hold the protons apart in the nucleus, at the centre of their atoms. Hydrogen, or H-bombs, oh yeah, then they invented even more dangerous ones, are 1,000 times more deadly than uranium or plutonium. Nuclear bombs. 8 countries are known to have enough nuclear bombs to start a nuclear winter. That would block out the sun for years, stopping the photosynthesis. That makes our food, and killing all animals bigger than a cockroach. Well, rat. I think that should be rat, really. Well, maybe cockroach. Dinosaurs were made extinct by a 3-year-long winter caused by a meteorite rock from space. Doing the same kind of thing. Cool! Press my picture to get more of my videos. Most of them are more happy than this one. Press like, press subscribe. Have a good day. Make everyone count. Bye!